In this video, I'm going to help you understand how you write an equation from an arithmetic sequence that you're given. So if we have a problem like this one that says, write an expression that describes the sequence below. N represents the position of a term in the sequence. N equals 1 represents the first term. Okay, so N equals 1 is the first term. So first thing to notice is this pattern increases by 1 each time. Okay, so it starts at negative 19, and if you add 1, you're going to get negative 18. If you add 1, you're going to get negative 17, and so on. So it's increasing by 1 each time. So these negative numbers are getting less negative each time as you go along. So now for the first term, ask yourself what number added to 1 gives minus 19. So if you add 1 to negative 20, you would get minus 19. So that means the expression is n minus 20. So let's check the first three terms to see if this is correct. So to find the first term, plug in n equals 1 into our equation that we think the expression is. So we put 1 here, minus 20. 1 minus 20 is minus 19. So first term is good. Now let's move on to the second term. To find the second term, plug n equals 2. That's the second term into our equation. So we put 2 minus 20 equals minus 18. So we're good. Our second term is correct. And just as a precaution, we will do the third term just in case to make sure that our equation is good. So to find the third term, plug in n equals 3. So here we put 3 here. 3 minus 20 is minus 17. So yay, our third term is right too. So that means the answer to the sequence minus 19, minus 18, minus 17, dot, 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 is n minus 20. And that's it. That's all there is to that problem. Don't worry if you don't understand that right away. You could just rewatch the video. As well, take a look at the description. There's a link there to my ebook. You could download it. In the ebook, you'll find a link to this very video, and you could follow along in the ebook as you watch the video. As well, take a look at the description. There's links there to other videos of mine that I've done that are similar. You could check those out if you need extra help. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for listening.